बिरेसरा बोगमाळकारांनी एकठांय येवन बोगमाळे दर्यावेळ नितळ केली। बोगमाळे दर्यावेळेर वचत थंय कोयर सोऱ्याच्यो बाटल्यो पडिल्ल्यो त्यो थळाव्या लोकांनी काढल्यो। दर्यावेळेर सरकारान लक्ष घालून थंय सुलभ शौचालय सारकिल्ल्यो सुविधा उपलब्ध करून दिवची अशी थंयच्या थळाव्यांची मागणी आसा। RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
आता कोण इनिशिएटिव्ह घेना क्लीन करपाक, सो आम सगळे बोगमाळकारान मेळून आमी चिंतले क्लीन करता म्हणून। बिकॉज द थिंग इज की आता टुरिजम टायम हा न्हू, सो आता हिंगा टुरिस्ट एरिया मागीर कितें म्हणटली, बिकॉज अल्टिमेटली द नेम ऑफ द बीच ऑल्सो गेट्स स्पॉइल्ड एंड देन इट्स अ वेरी बॅड like what you are trying to portray your place and around the people here. So we are trying to take an initiative as Bogmalites. We thought we would clean the place over here. And the second thing that bad is really happening here is that outsiders, they come here, they make parties, they throw bottles all over the places. Nobody is bothered to clean. For that reason we thought that we will get together, all of us, once and for all we will do it. A small change that would at least bring some kind of awareness to other people that this thing should not happen here. And second thing that we would like to to bring this point up, that we need a Sulabh toilet here, because this is very necessary.
It's not been happening for the past God knows. Every time it is saying Swachh Bharat, this, that. No one is coming to collect any garbages. You can see the nuisance around this place. There is bottles and food plates, everything, and just bottles are just thrown and broken. And there is no proper patrolling. Cops are coming in the evenings, just looking at these people who are just eating and just throwing things and saying nothing about it. So someone has to take an initiative. We have told the Sarpanch we'll do. See the beach today. We have seen earlier you had seen the state of the beach, and now, so we just thought of okay, we'll just go out and we'll do our best, whatever we can do. And after henceforth, now I will start with our boys from the village to come and patrol here and tell whoever is drinking, please collect your garbage and go away from here. Whatever you all want to have time, good time. No, we don't have any problems in that. But as far as you don't litter the place like this.